Hey you guys, I walked inside a Dollar Tree. I needed to come in here and get a few things, and it was one of them days where I wasn't really going to film, but then I saw this display and I said, okay, let me show my girls what's in the Dollar Tree for today. They got a lot of acrylic paint. Look at this. Vermilion, cobalt blue. So they have all of these colors. Really cool if you're looking to do some crafting. And this is by Rich Art. Let's see, up here I see some glass pearls, which is always cool to craft with. They got those. It has 135 pieces in there. You got a bunch of those. Here's a wood shape and a star, a flower, a heart, and then I think I see, yeah, another star back there. And those are nice sizes. In here you got the 6-piece wood cutouts with the animals. You got a ladybug, an owl, and a butterfly.
That's a big one, isn't it?
Then you got these picture frames right here that you can paint and decorate. These will be perfect little DIYs for Christmas, since Christmas is coming, for the little ones to create for family members. Look at that one. Wouldn't that be cute? You can paint this, put the baby's fingerprint, I mean not finger, but the handprint or the footprint right there. So you got those.
Oh, that's a birthday headband, isn't it?
And they also have that style back there. Really cute. Here's some wood craft cubes. You get 36 of them in there. And then you have this artist palette right here to use with the paints. They got these cute boxes down here. Look at that. How cute is that? And it's like the butterfly is lasered, so it has the holes in it. You have the butterfly. I see an owl. Is there anything else? Oh, look at this little house. And I'm not sure if there's anything else, but I do see those three. Here's these little trays that you can decorate. Oh, those are cute. So they have that style, and then they have this one with the star on the end. Okay, down here you got some little animals. You got an elephant. I see a giraffe way back there, which I'm not going to try to pull that out. You got bird houses. You got these little signs that say home. And then down here you got these little craft boxes. Look at that. It's an apple. You got a pineapple, I believe. Castle, a crown. Look at that. The little dog. Unicorn. And I believe that is a panther. I believe so. Maybe. Here's some craft boxes. Some more trays and more craft boxes. So see, I thought that was really cool. I mean, a lot of stuff that you can DIY. And then over here I do see some more stuff. I saw these in my last video, the mini glass containers with the cork lid. You get, wow, okay, so this one says it has 7 and they're the same thing. This one says 6. That's different. Then you got these mini glass containers. You got 4 of those. And then you got these mini ones that have 5 in there. Here's some piercing and scoring tool set. And then you got some paint brushes, magnetic buttons that you can use. I showed you guys the stretched canvas. They got more paints over here. This is a different brand than the first one I just showed you. This says Tempera Paint. Oh, look at this, big old bottles. Ready to use is that, am I saying it right? Tempera Paint. It says it's washable. Okay, how many ounces is this? Oh, it does, right on the front. 8 ounces. And I see pink and I see white. And then I see these right here, Dot Adhesives. Oh, those are cool. Oh, if I was still crafting, you use these on the back of like cutouts or whatever you want. And you can make your own like stickers or whatever. That's what I used to use mine for, but these are circle, and then I see these are square. So this one has 264 dots. This one has 528. Chunky brushes right here. Oh, they got some crosses down there with more boxes. They got these letters, gold letters. They got different colors and they're all metallic. You got blue. Ooh, is that like a peach? Oh, look at that. That's like a peach color. I see green, blue gold. Yeah. Metal brushes, 5 of them. These artist brushes. Embossing stylus. Right here. Storage containers, 6 of them. 8 of them in there. And you got the squeeze applicator bottles. Here's some jewel border stickers with the little pearls and the pearls and the rhinestones. 1 sheet. I don't know. Let's see if they come in different colors. Yeah, I see gold. Really pretty. Foam letter stickers. 124 in there. Flexible stencils. Right here. That. Okay, I showed you guys these. Lots of cute stickers right now.
Oh, cute.
And then up here, I've never seen these before. These are so cute. They look like they're made out of jelly. They say puffy, but they look like they're jelly. Cute. Oh, they got the cute trees. Birds. And the snails. Let's see. Oh, look, there's a giraffe. See if there's anything else back there. And more cactus. Okay, I like these, and I don't even need them. And then there's... Okay, if I can see those. They got elephants back there. Okay, over here I see some new little shadow boxes. I thought they had the hole at the top to make it a bank, but it doesn't. If you can dream it, you can do it. I like how the back has like the wood. You got this one, welcome to our beautiful chaos. And then that one, live every moment, laugh every day, and it's white. And then up here, they got these. Life is too short to drink bad wine. Little signs. That's cute. This one, home sweet home. I really like that one. Make your own magic. And be a flamingo in a flock of pigeons. I don't even know why I'm in the cat section, but this caught my eye. This little leopard toy. It's a cat toy and it has a little tail thing on the end, and they also have those stripes, or the one that kind of looks like a giraffe. I just thought these were cute. Okay, all of this looks new to me. Here's the stick. So normally I'm used to seeing the essentials in like white and stuff like that, but this one is black, and it has the screw bottom for you to be able to buy a push broom. So that's kind of cool. So you can get you a push broom, or you can attach this broom to it. They have the cotton mop head, or you can get the microfiber mop head. And I know I have never seen this in here before. You can also choose to put the wet dry flat mop head on there, and it looks like that. And they have these, the mop pad. That's kind of cool. Okay, Dollar Tree is doing a lot. I'm kind of thinking I want to get one of these, but I'm not sure if I don't know. Maybe I'll try it. Okay, in their little medicine section, they do got a lot of stuff out. They got the Vapo Drops, the Vicks. I've never seen them with this before. Advil Multi-Symptom Cold and Flu. You get 2 packets in here. That's not bad. I like Advil. I might try to get a box of that. They've been having these, the emergency. You get 2 packs in there. And then I'm seeing this, which I've never seen here. Hall's Defense Assorted Citrus. You get 14 drops in there. Oh, in the baby section, they put out some new little insulated cups. These are kind of cute. Look at that. Totally rawsome. They got the little ballerina, or the little cow, or farm animals. That's kind of cute. Look at these little hair bows. Those are so cute with the little pugs on them, and it has hearts. I see that one, and I see this one. Look at that face. Those are adorable. And look, they're also bringing back the makeup brushes that look like a fish, or this one right here that kind of looks like a unicorn. It's a powder brush. Okay, this is a weird area. Like, I am by the food section, and this store has those cute magnets I showed you in the other video. They have them back here in the food area, so you never know where you'll find something in Dollar Tree at. But they did have the ice cream, they have this donut, they had the cupcake, and then this one I didn't see the last time. It's a cute little ice cream that looks like it's been bitten already in the corner, so those are cute. And here is their display of all of the Halloween stuff. Most of this we looked at before. The diamond eyelashes. They have some Wet n Wild fantasy makers. So you got the Wet n Wild eyeshadows. It looks like they have lipstick, fingernail polish, and eyelashes up here. So the eyelashes, silk finish lipstick, dark wine, ooh, black. They got some Halloween colors, and then the polish is back there. So I see black, French white, or sparkled, or sparked. That's what that says. And then some some eyeliner, and more polish, and more of the other stuff. Oh look, these were just sitting here. I only see the two. I'm not sure where they're at in the store, but these are new. These are cute. So Meowgical little zipper pouch, and they also have this one that says Daydreamer. And then look at this end cap. They got all the Snuggadoo 2 socks that are coming back out. Some of them have the grip on the bottom, some of them don't, but look at that one. An alpaca or a llama with some hearts. Now, y'all know I love socks. I don't need these, but I will be getting those. And then behind them, look, they have a unicorn. And what is that? I think that's a kitty. Oh, that is so cute. But I will definitely be getting these. And then besides that, they do have more. They have this style down here too with the ankles. Just the ankle. I wish I could find the llamas in the ankle socks. Let me keep looking. But I do see a unicorn. I'm not sure what this, I think that's a cat. Oh, look, there's a fox. And then what is this? A little dog. Oh, there's the llama. I'll be probably getting a couple of these. They make good gifts too. And then down here you got these thick socks right here in different colors. Okay, on this other end cap by the food, I see some foam beads in this colorful, like rainbow. You got purple, yellow, green, pink, and white. Oh, and blue. They brought out some more fashion scarves. These are their infinity scarves. So I see this pretty blue one. This one kind of looks like it has a little fall vibe to it, but I see that one. Let's see, this one, a little pink, and I think that's it for now. Oh, okay, I found the little bags. So they're up here. They had a different one. Here's that one. So the two that I showed you plus this one. They have some more little pins with the little stars on them. Different ones. What else did I just see? Oh, these down here. Look at that little bag. Super cute. And this one. Let's avocado. That's cute. I think I'll get that one. And then behind me, I see these squishy toys. Squishy beads, and they're in the shape of fruit. So you got a pineapple. I think that's a pineapple. It's yellow, or is that a strawberry? I don't know. I see the strawberry, the banana, and that. I'm looking for the banana. There's the banana right there. I think I'm gonna get that one. Okay, you guys, I am done in the Dollar Tree. I spent too much time in here, and like I said, I literally just ran in here to grab something. So I hope you guys enjoyed this walkthrough, and I will talk to you guys soon in another one. Okay, bye.